Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing Google Lens because Circle to Search uses Lens Selection tool. Open the Google app now and confirm it's updated. Make sure camera and storage permissions are allowed so Lens can analyze images. Once done, tap the Lens icon in the search bar to enter Lens mode. This prepares the on-screen tools you need. Do not open the camera app instead because the selection tool only appears inside Google Lens within the Google app. Now you'll perform the circle selection. Tap the finger or lasso option labeled Search with your finger. Then, using your finger, draw a circle or lasso tightly around the object or text you want to identify. Make sure the subject fills most of the selection. If needed, pinch to zoom or move the selection handles for clarity. When the selection is accurate, tap the search button. Google Lens will analyze that exact area and return images, text, or shopping matches. Finish by reviewing the results and choosing the action you need. Open product pages, copy or translate text, or view similar images. If the circle search returns poor matches, retry with better lighting, a tighter selection, or a different angle to improve recognition. If Lens won't load or the finger tool is missing, close the Google app, update it, or clear its cache and settings. That usually resolves glitches. If problems persist, reboot the phone and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.